Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to Money Talks. Welcome to my channel. This channel, guys, is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow money, especially if you are living in the UAE. I am living in the UAE, and I'm sharing with you guys my experience as someone who is looking for financial freedom. I'm showing you guys all of the plays that I am doing and all the mistakes that I have done, so you will be able to avoid them if you are planning to be financially free. So make sure guys to subscribe, and I would like to say thank you for being a subscriber with my channel. So far we have 853 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for your support, and that's really giving me a motivation to make more videos for you. So today's is gonna be a little quick analyze about the market right now. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is going to start with the cryptocurrencies. So as you can see, Bitcoin is recently not doing so well, and it went from 69,000 and now it's trading at 46,000. So this is a huge drop here, and a lot of cryptocurrency investors are actually not doing so well. But if you compare this to last year it was around 30,000, which is a so far still in the positive direction. And I'm gonna go here to seeking alpha just to show you exactly how much you would be earning right now if you start investing in Bitcoin exactly at December last year. So as you can see guys, it's almost 100%. So if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin last year, now you should be at around $2,000, which is actually 1,000 as profit. So Bitcoin is still doing great. So as you can see, for the long term, Bitcoin tends to give you a very good return. But for the short term, as you can see, one day it's minus 2%, 5 days is minus 3.4%. Even 1 month is still like almost 20% down. So 6 months, however, is still positive, and 1 year, as I said before, is almost 100%. So as you can see, Bitcoin tends to do well for the long term. And if you are planning to invest in cryptocurrencies in general, they are almost like all the same. They are always like following Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a major cryptocurrency. So all of the other coins, they are tending to follow Bitcoin. So that's exactly what's happened. And you can see even in last year, in 2020, the price was over here like 7,000 for one Bitcoin, and it went up until 30,000, which gives you a lot of gains actually. So if you invested in Bitcoin for 2 years, you would be making a lot of money right now. So this is what you need to keep in mind, is that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for the long term tends to give you higher returns. But for the short term, it might give you returns, but it's going to be very volatile. As you can see here, it goes up and down like crazy. So that's the thing that you have to consider about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So one more thing, guys, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrencies or you don't know how to invest in cryptocurrencies, you can also watch my previous videos. I'm going to quote them here, so you can just click and see the playlist that's going to give you details about how to trade and use Binance, for example, as a platform to buy and sell Bitcoin. All right, so that's all about cryptocurrencies. And now let's move on to the stock market, guys. The stock market is also not doing so well. And as you can see here, it's all in the red. And I'm going to choose VTI, for example. VTI lately, it's going in a small downtrend here. It's starting to correct itself, but still it's not doing so well. But in the long term, as you can see, since the corona outbreak, we had this major down turn, and since then we are in a perfect uptrend. And I'm not sure if we're gonna keep going on this direction, but so far it's doing well, and it is actually promising that's gonna give you probably more and more gains. So this is the stock market. It's normal to have some drawbacks like this, and these are actually opportunities for you to put your money into the stock market, because when you have a pullback right like here, even though it's kind of like a crash here because of the corona, it tends to give you more returns. And this is like historically approved. It's not always happening once, it's always happening, and it's always when you have like these kind of pullbacks, People, they got scared from the stock market. They think that they're gonna lose their money, so most of them, they sell their assets. But the smart people, the people who knows that the stock market is always going in the upward direction, they always buy in these depths. So that's why you need to take advantage and do that as well. And don't get scared from putting money in the stock market, even at the top here, because you don't know when you're gonna have another push in the upside direction. So always guys, do a plan and always put monthly payments into the stock market and have this investing mentality, because that's how you create wealth. And your money in the bank account is not going to make you anything. So always put your money in something that's going to generate more money for you. So this is the stock market, guys. And also, like, we've been seeing these COVID variants as also starting to cause a little bit of uh, concern for the market right now. So as you can see, this is the coronavirus cases since it started, and you can see the statistics. But currently, we are seeing some new cases right now because of the new COVID variants. So a lot of people in a lot of countries, they are scared about it, and even in the UAE, as you will see here, the UAE is also starting to have more cases, which is almost 300 a case a day. So far, there's no death reported, but still, the cases are rising. And recently, the UAE used to have uh, a very low number daily. It was not even passing 50 cases a day, and now we're starting to have a more cases daily. And that's not only for the UAE, especially if you are investing in the US stock market, you will see also that the cases, they are rising like crazy, 66,000 cases a day. And this is really concerning. The UK is also having a lot of cases, Russia, France, and the death rates is also getting higher. So the stock market doesn't like this kind of stuff, doesn't like this disturbing news. The stock market is always looking for perfection and looking for stability in the economy. So that's why you will see some red days from now on, and hopefully things will be better. So that's it, guys. This is all about my analysis for the stock market and cryptocurrencies as well. It's still a perfect investing plan for you if you want to invest your money. The most important thing is that don't keep your money in the savings account. I am trying my best to take advantage of these pullbacks, especially in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is crazy, and you never know when you're gonna have a crazy push up like this. So always prepare when there is a downtrend trend like this, and it will give you a good amount of money for the long term. And this is for sure, as I show you guys before in this trend in general. So make sure, guys, to subscribe and give me a like if you have any question about cryptocurrencies or any uh, financial advice that you are looking for. I might help you with that, but I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not a professional financial advisor. So that's all, guys, about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. I'm gonna try to give you more insights about the market and if it is a good idea to start investing in the stock market or even in cryptocurrency. So thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.